Hello, good evening. My name is Nirmal, and today I am going to be presenting my communication activity one. So I have created this XAML file. Well, I have created this. It's just like the lab one that I have created last week. So I'm going to show you step by step how I did the lab first. So let's go ahead and open this. So yeah, it's open. I have created the grid definitions, like I have created column definitions, like 5 column definitions. So first one will be 20 and the last one will be 20. So these are the fixed width of fixed height of and width of the grids. Well, I have not placed any labels and text box inside the 20 this specific one, so it will look very clear and nice. And then these are the autos, so I whichever width and height I provide these labels and text box, it will like hold these heights and widths. And yeah, so let's move ahead, and these are the row definitions. Now these are the labels right here, as you can see. So this is for label name, this one is for the student ID, and then yeah, so this is the target of the name, this is the target of the student ID. Oh, sorry. Yeah, and this is the key combo box. So these holds, like these are given specific grades, like first column. So column will be, this is the 0 column, first column, second column, third column, and 20 width of column. So yeah, and then this is the text box right here, label, text box again, label, and this is the combo box. So I tried to create a checkbox, like if I create the checkbox of it, then probably I can like make it more complicated, but I failed, so I couldn't make it. Well, it is what it is, right? Just a second, let me, oops. Yeah, now this is the button of creating project. So if you press this button, it will create a project, and this is the label. Oops. This is the label output display right here, as you can see. Now this is the xaml.cs. So I have, like, it will represent the code for the XAML. So this is if the string is empty. If the string is not empty, it will go ahead, otherwise here else. So it will focus on the text box, and yeah, it will display an error. It will display an error in the message box. This is the class, message box class. So let's go ahead and yeah, and just like that, just like the text name, this is for text sid. So it is double, like you can enter sid in double format. So I have created this, and this one is for if status of the fees. I copied and pasted it just like I did in lab 1 for lab 1. So yeah, and then this is the list. If you add if you create a project, the it will add the name of the project. It will show the name of the project in label output, and it will create it will clear the list box display. So let's go ahead and go to the program.cs which I have created. So it's public class. Now these are the get and set methods for the name, student ID, and status of the fees. And then this is the sub window for, like, if you create a project and double click on the as displayed here. So if you double click on the list box item, then it will display, it will pass another window. So this is the new window which is named sub window. Just like I explained in before, it is the created with grids and columns. And then this is label, which is like target, the text box is not enabled, so you can't edit it. Just like that, it's the same label. And then this is the combo box, it's not enabled. And this is the button to close the window. So if I go ahead and open this sub window.xaml, so yeah, this is the code. So this displays the, and this is the close button. So if I try and run the program, let's see how it works. Just a second. Let's enter name. Oops. My name is Nirmal, and if I try to enter string in the student ID, it will display this error, enter your student ID, and you must enter your student ID. So my student ID is 100767993, and then fee status I'm gonna select yes, create project. So as you can see, it displays my name. Let's go ahead and try another name, Nizar. My brother's name is Nizar, so I entered this, and let's enter whatever student ID, fee status to no, create project. So as you can see, these are different names, and this is the label output box. So I'm gonna double click my name, and as you can see, it displays the status, name, and student ID. So if I try to tap close, it will close, simply close it. If I double click, tap and open Nirzar, I have entered no. So as you can see, it's no, and I can't edit these because I have not added any functions like alter button, like alter project button. Just a close button is here, so it will close the program. And it's very simple project, just like lab I did in lab 1. It's just the same purpose of the, like, the combo box and everything, but just the alter button is not, I have not created the alter button. So yeah, that's what I have done for the communication activity. Hope you like my project. Thank you very much.